In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete AutoDS account. If you're ready to close your AutoDS account and stop any future charges, I'll walk you through the process from start to finish so you can do it confidently in just a couple of minutes. Before you begin, make sure you're signed in to your AutoDS account on a browser and that your internet connection is stable. If there's anything you want to keep, like invoices or billing history for your records, consider downloading those first, because once the account is deleted, access may be removed. Start by opening your AutoDS account. From the main dashboard, look for the settings option. Depending on your layout, you'll typically find it in the sidebar or near the top of the page, often represented by a gear icon. Click Settings to open the page that controls your preferences and account configuration. Inside Settings, go to the section labeled Account and Billing. This is where AutoDS keeps everything related to your plan, payment details, invoices, and the controls for managing or closing your account. Give the page a moment to load fully so all options appear. Now scroll to the bottom of the Account and Billing section. There you should see a link or button that says Manage or Cancel Account. It can be easy to overlook since it's placed at the bottom, so scroll carefully until you spot it. Click that option to proceed. On the next screen, click Cancel Subscription. In AutoDS, this action triggers the cancellation of your active plan and the deletion of your account. You may be asked to confirm your choice or select a reason for leaving. Read any on-screen notes about timing, remaining days in your billing cycle, or what happens to your data. When you're ready, confirm the cancellation. After you confirm, your subscription will be cancelled and your account will be deleted automatically. You'll typically be signed out and you may receive a confirmation email for your records. Future billing stops at this point. If your plan includes time remaining in the current cycle, check the confirmation message to understand how that's handled. If you still see access in a browser tab after a moment, refresh the page or sign out and back in to verify that the account is closed. And that's it. You've opened your AutoDS account, navigated to Settings, entered Account and Billing, chosen Manage or Cancel Account, and selected Cancel Subscription, which completes the deletion. Thanks for watching and take care.